Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Thriving Thursdays and my Joyful Living Kitchen. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and Joyful Living Coach. And this is Thriving Thursdays, where we take a mindful approach to nourishing not only your body, your life. It is such a joy and an honor to have you here. Do you want to simply survive, or would you rather thrive? I know what you're saying. Let's thrive together. Many of the people in this world, they're on medication, living with aches and pains and chronic disease. They're plowing through life, spinning like hamsters on the hamster wheel of life. They're feeling like they've lost their joy, they've lost their sizzle. I don't want that for you. So I'm on a mission to help you discover that the rest of your life, it can be the best of your life. So you're tuning in now, but join me every Thursday. I'm going to be here for you. Join me at 5:30 p.m. for Thriving Thursdays, where you'll discover powerful treasures to live your happiest and healthiest life. I'll also be sharing my mouth-watering magical recipes. You can live your fantastic life, seriously. I'm here to help you get there with powerful mindset tools and great healthy food. Healthy food that's fast, fun, and fabulous. You have the power to get healthier, to get happier, and love your body and life. Now let's dive in with the mindful exercises that are specially designed to not only transform your relationship with food, they will help you to love your body and your life. You ready? Okay, I'm wondering, have you been in a bit of freak out mode with this crazy virus and everything that's going on in the world? I know most of us are, right? I know. The world has been a bit out of sync lately. Whew. Tonight, I want to help you boost your immunity, reduce your stress, and we're going to do that with the best way I know how to supercharge your immune system. What's going to happen is you'll learn to take a deep breath, get present, and see the world through a whole new pair of eyes in a whole new way. I'm sure, though, as well, you would love some healthy comfort food. We've been quarantined for way too long. Wouldn't you love some comfort food? So the delicious eat that I'll be cooking up tonight are my super delicious, super nutritious, organic chocolate bites. You will love them. Yep, healthy chocolate that's Catherine approved. Pretty cool. But before we jump in, I'm wondering, do you know what the one thing is that you can't live without? You might say it's food, water, your children, your spouse, but the truth is you can only live about 3 to 5 minutes without oxygen. The one thing you can't live without is oxygen. Breathing exercises, or in yoga we call it pranayama, they're your ticket to a happy, healthy life. Pranayama, in yogic terms, it means the force within our bodies that's vital for the function of the body, vital for your vitality. Breath is our vital source of energy. Did I say vital enough? So did you know that you can release 80% of the toxins from your body just by breathing correctly? The key to your healthy, happy life, it lies in your breath. When we attend to our breath, it heals us, not on the outside, from the inside out. Our cells, they can't regenerate without oxygen. Breathing is the fastest and most efficient way for our bodies to get oxygen. Sounds great, right? Deep breathing, it helps your immune system. It helps you to regenerate your cells and really fight infection. It increases your immune systems or any other ailments that may be affecting you. So practice this fun exercise that I'm going to show you in a minute. Practice it regularly to really improve your overall immune system and increase your energy. Energy is so important. We know the world is made of energy. Tesla and Einstein, they proved it. When we increase our energy, we improve our health and our lives. What we consume is the single factor that creates health and happiness, and that includes your breath. The deeper you breathe, the better your immune system will work. Did you get that? The deeper you breathe, the better your immune system will work. I could have talked about organic vegetables today, but breath is the most important. So let's jump into our first breathing technique. You're going to learn central channel breathing. This is your central channel. Take one hand and put it between your heart, and the other hand 2 inches below your belly button. And breathe. Breathe back and forth from these 2 places. This upper hand, it's on the Sea of Tranquility in acupressure. And this place down here, it's called the Sea of Energy. So you're getting energized and tranquil at the same time. Just breathe normally through at this channel. And notice which hand lifts or moves first. Are you breathing from your belly or your chest? If you're breathing from your chest, breathe deeper. Bring it into your belly. Continue to breathe this way throughout this exercise. Keep your hands here. It'll just add the bonus of creating more energy in your life with acupressure exercises. Now I want you to imagine your breath moving in this channel from the base of your spine to the top of your head. Just let it move. Continue breathing. Just continue breathing as I talk. And imagine your breath moving like a laser beam through your front channel. Keep breathing. Enjoy the bliss. Keep breathing this way. We're going to jump into our powerful breathing exercise. It's called Bhastrika Pranayama. This breath, it strengthens your immune power. When you practice Bhastrika Pranayama, when you practice it for 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening on an empty stomach every single day, you're going to see amazing benefits. Like this breath, it creates colds, coughs, and flus to say bye-bye, and you can kick them to the curb. They'll be a thing of the past. Your stress levels will reduce. Your thyroid, it's right here, your thyroid function and your adrenals, these adrenals that are the batteries for the body, they're going to improve. Your whole endocrine system will improve. You're going to eliminate excess and toxic elements from the body. And what this does, it reduces and results in increased blood purity and physical fitness. You're going to relieve yourself from emotional and physical pain. My neck pain went away when I started breathing like this on a regular basis. It erases all kinds of impurities inside the body. You strengthen your lungs and you prevent asthma and tuberculosis. It's also beneficial for any cough problems. So here's how you do it. You just sit or stand comfortably with your spine straight. Take a deep breath through both nostrils. Fill the lungs with air and then exhale with a hissing sound. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely through your nose. You're going to do this for 2 to 5 minutes. And we're going to practice it in a minute. And then slowly and gradually, you can increase the intensity of this breath and the speed of this breath. Then you relax and feel amazing energy running through your body. So practice this at your own pace. I recommend you start slow and enjoy improved energy and health. This breath, it helps you to stay calm, it helps you to stay relaxed, and it helps you to flow easily with life. And this is also a great exercise for all your organs and for your metabolism. This is the best when you sit and practice focused. And you also can practice it times when you're driving, when you're doing the dishes, or doing any mundane tasks. So let's practice now. Ready? Great job. Now I'd like you just to sit with your eyes closed if you can and feel the energy in your body. What's going on in your body? Are things tingling? Are you energized? Feel it, feel it, feel it. Notice what's happening in your beautiful body. And breathe regularly. Breathe normally. And come out when you're ready. And practice this on a regular basis and enjoy the benefits. We're going to jump in a minute to my chocolate bites. So ground yourself and get ready for something delicious, a delicious treat. Hi there. Hey, are you ready to make some chocolate bliss bites? They are so good. And when you just gotta have some chocolate, they're amazing. So let me show you what you do. The best part about these is they're healthy. If you buy a candy bar, oh my goodness, it's so loaded with chemicals and preservatives. But this is pure organic chocolate. So what I have in here is palm sugar, and it's in a double boiler. Palm sugar needs to melt. So I put it in a double boiler because if you don't, it might burn. And then this is cacao butter. Cacao butter. Say that 7 times fast, right? And it's just hard raw cacao. So super healthy for you. This has been cooking for a while, for probably about 5 minutes, so it's pretty well melted. Now I'm going to throw in raw cacao. Now this is the hot ticket. When I discovered I couldn't have chocolate, and chocolate wasn't really healthy for me, raw cacao is the purest form of chocolate, and it's a powder, but I can have chocolate again every now and then. Now this isn't an everyday thing, it's an every now and then snack, okay? So I stir this up, and then I've got my handy dandy heart mode. You guys know I love love. Love is the universal antidote for everything in life. So I love hearts. I actually am born on February 13th, which is the day before Valentine's Day. So it's just a special, special symbol for me. And all you do is you take a little bit of the mixture and you put it in the heart mold. And then I would fill all this, throw it in the freezer for about 5 minutes, and that's all there is to it. So when you just gotta have some chocolate, it's here for you. And look at the finished product. Delish, beautiful, and what a confectionery. Or sometimes I just keep these in the freezer when I've got a really bad craving. I'm hangry for some chocolate. I can eat 1 or 2, but I never make big batches. That's the ticket, because then you don't go crazy, right? And my husband, he's been riding his bike all day. He rode about 109 miles. He rides for the AIDS Life Cycle. But unfortunately, the AIDS Life Cycle was canceled this year, so he's riding the equal amount for 7 days. So I'm going to surprise him with this great ice cream. But this isn't just any ice cream. I'm going to put a couple of these on top of it. This is called Vixen Kitchen. Isn't that pretty? Vixen Kitchen ice cream. It's a naked ice cream, and it's made with really pure ingredients, maple syrup, cashews, dairy-free, gluten-free, and sugar-free. Well, maple syrup, so it's a natural sugar. But I'm going to go surprise him with this. So I've had so much fun with you tonight. Please join me next week for Thriving Thursdays. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. Oh, and hey, by the way, like my channel, like my page, and pop on over to my website and check out my programs. I have some amazing programs that you're going to love that just help you get healthier and happier. I'm at catherinechess.com. I'll see you next Thursday. Bye-bye. Love you. Look how quickly the Bliss Bites disappear. Yeah. Hey, this is your base chocolate recipe. I want you to feel free to mix any optional ingredients into the chocolate. You can put these in the freezer and eat them when you've just got to have some chocolate. But you can add hemp seeds, you can add chia seeds, almonds, any kind of nut. It's endless. It's very cool. Do you want to create a body and a life you love? You know, you've become so bloody serious about life, I want you to start letting go and see what magic you can create. We dive even further into how to eat clean, healthy food, and live a life that you truly love in my 3 Months to Thrive programs. They help you to get healthy, they help you to get happy, and stop your unhealthy food cravings, stop them in their tracks. Just check them out. Click over to my website and join this unique program. I'm at catherinechess.com. It has been such a joy and a pleasure to have you in this series with me. Please reach out, share your successes. I'm standing for you. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love your life. I encourage you and invite you to love yourself. Much more importantly, go out and make your life beautiful.